Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So major event of the current week has happened, European Central Bank meeting. So Mr. Draghi has brought some clarity on the perspective of the quantitative easing program. It's mostly supportive for stock market since it was extended till the end of the year, I mean 2017 in December. Although the amount of purchasing has been contracted from the 80 billions to the 60 billions. At the same time, as we said, and as we have discussed based on the FATM consulting report, that European Central Bank indeed has changed the limits on the purchasing of the bonds of different countries. So right now, it has got possibility to buy more bonds of the developed countries. I mean Germany, France, Italy, and others. So this decision mostly stands according to our long-term view on the euro currency. Since you know we expect further drop of the euro currency in the long-term perspective. So we think that market really could reach parity or even lower levels to the probably 85 cents per euro. So that's why recent drop stands mostly in a row with our technical analysis, including the short-term analysis we have discussed this moment. So what we have on the daily chart. On the daily, as you can see, our double repo buy mostly has been completed. Just a few pips. Market hasn't reached the 50% levels, 109, as we have discussed, but this mostly has happened due to the existence of the overbought condition, as you can see on the daily chart. So from the technical point of view, of course. So you can see market has reached the overbought fib level, some kind of the stretch combination. But I think that that was nice rally, nice spike that has completed the double repo pattern that we have discussed. And after that, market shown the collapse down. So it has dropped below the monthly pivot point, has tested it and dropped lower. And also this is huge daily reversal session. So you can see market has taken out at the top and closed below the lows of the previous sessions and even closed below this day, Italy referendum. So that's why we think that that could become the starting action right to our next target that stands at 104 ERM. This is major ABCD pattern on the weekly chart. Here guys, it's interesting detail. So if you will measure the extension of this action to the upside, you will get 127 stands precisely 104 area. As you can see, 104.04. What does it mean? It means that maybe market will form here another pattern. So maybe it will form the butterfly or something of that sort. That could lead market right to this target. This is just a suggestion. I do not know this exactly. This market could just drop lower. It's interesting, by the way, where is the oversold. Stands. Right. So you can see market wasn't able to reach it immediately in just one action, since this target stands slightly lower than daily oversold. But anyway, maybe some pattern will be formed here, and it's very probable that this could become the butterfly, because daily weekly ABCD targets were important destination point. And on this drop, market definitely will take out the stop stat below this 105 lows. These lows. This probably has not been tested, as you can see, because this spike down stands slightly higher than this one. At the same time, it's very significant chances that market will respect on weekly target, and appearing of the butterfly here, I mean respect with the sum retracement, and appearing of the butterfly here seems very logical. So that's what we see on the daily chart. On the intraday chart, guys, we probably could think about the taking short position as market is starting to move down. This could become a real downward continuation to the target, as we said. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that also was the confluence resistance. Here it's minor 618 resistance when this topped these lows. So here we could take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we see that this spike up was the completion of the butterfly. It's 1618 extension. Right now, market has hit ultimate target of the butterfly. You can see this 1618 from that low to this top. This is ultimate target of the butterfly, and this has been completed. Also, market stands at the weekly pivot support one. So if any bounce up will happen, you probably should watch for this area around 107. This is, as you can see, will be 3-8 level resistance, previous bottom. It's also natural support resistance area, and stands very close to the weekly pivot resistance one. That's why our area is 107, 107.15. That's level where we could think about that taking short position if the retracement will happen here. Also, this retracement seems logical if market indeed will form the butterfly on the daily chart, because as you can see, market is completed this left wing. If it will be left wing here, starting with the right wing could happen. That particularly could start from the upper minor retracement. That's our current view of the euro currency. That being said, we are waiting for reaching the next targets 104. In the short-term perspective today, probably some bounce up could happen, and most probable destination is 107, 107.15 area.